In this Site Detective review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to help you to rank your websites with a suite of tools. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Site Detective, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says 3-click app legally hijacks all the vital information of high traffic getting websites and clones their complete success in just 2 minutes flat. Essentially what this does is it's a tool of like analytics tools for building websites. I'm going to show you all of them in a second here. It's not like some magic button that's going to start making you money. Like this right here, it shows you like traffic and money that they've made here. It's not going to magically do any of that. Like this is stuff that they've maybe made from some of their websites. But what it does here, you can see it says log in, enter your URL, and then clone the entire success. But you can look at successful websites, see what they've done, and it can help you to mimic your websites based upon what they're actually doing. It will scrape unlimited sites data, backlink maker, website analytics reports, competitor link finder, visitor analytics reports, domain analysis, rank and index analysis. It's like a bunch of different tools to do this. Again, it's not some magic button. It's just got all these extra tools that you can use in your business if you need any of these type of things for what you are doing. Again, like all these income screenshots and stuff, forget that. Like profits generated with Site Detective. Like, no, you're not going to make money like that with this. This is just a tool, not some magic money-making button. That does not exist. Now, you will see if you purchase this, you get all these extra tools here. What you can do when you're on the sales page, if you are going to purchase, move your mouse away, you can get a discount on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, but I always do. So please hit that like button. I appreciate it. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts. Okay, so this is the backend area here, and this is where you have all your different tools and stuff in here, your analysis tool, your different utilities, all these different things that you can use here. You've got your URL shortener, keyword tracking tool, security tools, code minifier, widgets, like all these things in here. So probably a bunch of them you're not going to end up ever using, but there might be some in there that you could find useful for your business. Now, there are multiple upgrades. The first one here is it's going to unlock some extra tools in here. So it's going to looks like it unlocks a bunch of different tools here, and it reduces some limits on this. Now, make sure you move your mouse away so you can get a discount on this. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so hit that like button. The next one here is you can go, it says it will do it for you on autopilot. So that's an option here. You can move your mouse away and get a discount on this one as well. The next one here is a one-click SEO optimizer for your websites. You can move your mouse away and get a discount on this one. The next one here is, it looks like you can have a done for you type version. Not sure how this works, but it's an optional upgrade. You can move your mouse away and get a discount. And the last one is resell rights. So you can resell this, keep the money, move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about SideDetective and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, like the sales page is really, really hypey and all those income screenshots are unnecessary. Do not think that this is going to magically make you money, because it will not. What do I like about this? If you're looking for any of the tools included inside of this, then it could be worth the price to get this. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at SideDetective, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review. Thanks.